This is how my nails look naturally. As you can see, they do not grow out beautiful and square. Instead, they look kind of awkward. So then, how do I get my nails from a natural, awkward nail shape to a sleek, square one? By only following my nails in one direction. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you my simple one-step method for achieving a sleek, square nail shape. So all I do is grab my trusty glass nail file and just file in one direction. That's all I do. I don't file underneath my nail, around the sides, all this complicated stuff. I just follow my nails in one direction straight across until the more oval shape turns into a square. It's as simple as that. If you like this video, then you'll like this one.